What is a better result headline if it tells the client that this is a service that you do for them? For example, in this case, let's say I need a result offer headline. A result offer headline has the following formula. Quantity, specific, measurable result. My E is not working. Measurable result. And then mechanism bringing the result. I tested that audience wants the following. Please generate 5 result headlines with max 140 euros. Yeah, not bad. I mean, it can be better, right? It ignored this because I believe ChatGPT didn't understand what I mean with quantity object. But the rest is deliver high quality projects on time within budget using our precise, right? And that is something, then you would copy that and it would be 30 min, right? That's quantity object, 30 and is the quantity and minute is the object. Video showing you how to this, right? That could be one result headline. What is a better result headline if it tells the client that this is a service that you do for them? For example, in this case, the process or discover the, and then either it's a process or tool or method we use to deliver a high quality project on time within your budget. Right? Because people that find this interesting, they are looking for someone who does it for them. Yeah. Right. And even better, if you can add a timeline in 30 days or less, even better. Right? Because then people that react to this, that they want it in a short timeline. These are those people that are typically more qualified than people that are just looking for a general how-to because they want to do it themselves. 20 is enough. Just take the best statements in terms of where you got the best KPIs and those where you believe they are aligned with what you deliver. Right? Okay. Take the 5 best statements and then do what I just did. When you found out which benefit, which result they want most, then you take those that are validated and combine it with a different format. You can then say, watch the 30-minute video or download the free ebook or schedule a free call. Then you combine it with a container where this benefit is transported. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to move to the next step, you can start with the resources I linked below this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like it below and share it. It will help to support this channel and create more helpful content for you regularly and make our digital work world a better place. Cheers and see you soon.